Y'all, these smell good. These smell really good. Says Alexander McQueen there. The bottom looks really good as well. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you aren't new. My name is Keandra, and as y'all read by the title, I'm gonna be coming to y'all with another replica shoe unboxing video. Y'all know I said I had a lot coming. I just want to give a quick disclaimer, like I always do. If you are not into replica shoe stuff, whatever, replica items in general, click out of this video, period. And if you are interested in replica shoes, then just keep on watching. Today I'm going to be unboxing Alexander McQueen sneakers from clubkicks.com, and that is with a Z. I'm going to have their information out this video, and I'm going to have the coupon code if I have one throughout the video, and I will also have all their other information in the description box down below. Let's just get into this unboxing. Y'all already know how these videos go. We about to get straight into it. So these sneakers did come via DHL. This is the box. I'm not gonna flip it around because all of my information is on there. A lot of the companies are performing business as usual. They were on like a holiday, so that is why I wasn't doing as many of them. Again, as a part of my disclaimer, y'all know I do not benefit from scamming anybody. I have to say it in every video. This is a trustworthy channel. Check back at my other videos. Y'all can look in the comments of other videos and see that people have purchased these items and they have actually received their items. I do not promote scams. People spend their hard-earned money, and I understand that. So I don't do scams. I don't benefit from scamming nobody, and it's just honestly saddening that it happens. Anything that I promote is always gonna be my genuine, honest opinion, and you can either buy it or not. I just want to say that. Y'all already know what it is. We're dealing with the brown box. So here is the box, y'all, inside of some bubble wrap. They did a good job of protecting the shoes, which most companies do, so we can appreciate that. Along with the bubble wrap, they actually did put the box in some plastic, which I have not seen this yet. It's like a huge Ziploc bag. Okay, this box is in pretty good condition. So here is the box, y'all. And then here's the bottom. This box came in really good condition, y'all. Like, I don't really see no type of imperfection with this box, so that is really good. When I open my box, this is what it's looking like. We have our receipt here. This looks like a real receipt, y'all, and it's just stapled to this like Alexander McQueen little card, but it's just a white receipt. And then I also see some other pamphlets and goodies. We have our authentication card here. And then we also have this card here, or a booklet. You also are going to receive a dust bag, which is always nice. This is what the back of it looks like if you want to store your shoes in it. Okay, this doesn't smell bad at all. And then, as you guys can see, this tissue paper does have the Alexander McQueen logo all over it. And make sure y'all check out the other two Alexander McQueen unboxings that I did on my channel. I have two other companies that I reviewed Alexander McQueen shoes for, so make sure y'all check it out. I will have it in the iCards and description box. So this is what it looks like getting further inside of the box. I have an extra pair of laces here, and then I have the shoes individually wrapped. Y'all, these smell good. These smell really good. They don't smell super strong or anything like that. They smell like they would if you were to get them in like a Saks Fifth or something like that. Definitely. These definitely smell really good, and they look really good, you guys. So these are just the Alexander McQueens in white, and they just look like this. This is what the back of them look like. This is what the front of the shoe looks like. And it does say Alexander McQueen on the inside. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see it, but it does say that on the inside as well as on the tongue here. Let me turn my light up just a little bit, you guys. There we go. And then here is the bottom of the shoe. It says Alexander McQueen there. And the bottom looks really good as well. So this is what the shoe's looking like. Just looking really, really clean and just classic. And then this is the other sneaker. This is what the back of this one looks like. They look real clean, you guys. Feels really good. It's super duper sturdy, y'all. That was everything that was in the box. So these are the shoes. Like I said, I have promoted other Alexander McQueen shoes. And I love the way that they smell because I have gotten a pair that smelled very, very like strong. But these smell just like they would if you were to purchase at the store. So y'all, I know the difference between a pair of shoes that would smell like you picked them up from the store versus factory and like a strong chemical smell. It's just common sense. Like, I have purchased shoes with my own money. I just have to say that because somebody commented on my video. It be haters, child. Somebody commented on my video talking about some, yeah, that smell that you smell is the smell of some fake shoes or whatever she said, child. Anyways, I ain't even gonna spend too much time on that, but just know that I clearly know the difference, you know? So yes, y'all, these are these sneakers. Let me see what size I got them in. I forgot to tell y'all. I did get these in a size 40, and I'm gonna be giving y'all an on-foot review, of course. Per usual, y'all know how these videos go. I like to give an on-foot review as well as style them up. All right, y'all, so this is the outfit I decided to go with. I don't know if y'all can really see the shirt, but this shirt is really cute. It's just a message from God. For the bag, I just have like this little lilac Shein bag. Super cute, and it plays into the color of the shirt. And then for the jeans, I just have on these Fashion Nova jeans. They are light wash. If you watched my last replica video, I don't know if it's gonna be before this or after this, I actually did another outfit with these same jeans. And then, of course, for the start of the show, I have on the white Alexander McQueen sneakers. Super cute. Shout out to Club Kicks for sending over these shoes. Y'all did y'all thing. This is the finished look. Make sure y'all follow me on my socials because I do create looks with things that I get sent. So head over there if you would like to see some of the looks. Thank you so much if you watched all the way to the end. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Shout out to Club Kicks for sending me over these sneakers. Shirt is so washed out, but it's cute though. I'll see y'all in the next video. Ever asked what you love, pick up the phone when you home. All I ever asked was you show me some love, kiss me some hug. I never had to let you go to the club with your boys, baby.